Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to block calls but not messages on iPhone. So let's dive right in. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to Focus. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new focus mode. Tap on Custom. Give your focus mode a name that reflects its purpose, no calls. Tap on Add on this page and choose the contacts whose calls you want to silence. You can search for specific contacts or select groups. Tap on Add Apps and make sure that the Messages app is selected. To allow messages, deselect any other apps you want silenced during this focus mode. Customize additional options like notification silence or a schedule for automatic activation. Tap Done to save your focus mode. Remember, with your new focus mode active, calls from your selected contacts will be silenced, but you'll still receive their messages. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.